For the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. Frozen. H6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ballin' age. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the. On record, off record. I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off.
Alright guys, so in today's video, we're going to talk about my new tires. Super excited about them, so let's hop into it. Alright guys, so here are the new tires. I went with the Pirelli P0 Max Performance Summer tires. So these are like the kind of tires that you get from factory on Lamborghini, Ferrari, some Porsches, McLarens. So these tires are really well rated, and I guess I went for a more of a meaty look on the tires. I had the sidewall bump up to a 40 instead of a 35, which was sorry, there's a car that's trying to get around me. So I had a previous tire size of 275, 35, and I moved up to a 285, 40, so it's a thicker tire. And it fills in the gap pretty well. And for the front, I have 265 40s. So it used to be 255 35. So again, a thicker tire, more meaty, looking good. And basically, I really wanted to go with a tire that wasn't gonna, be too thin that when I hit a pothole, it's gonna dent my wheels. I'll show a picture of my old 435. I hit a pothole because my the thickness of my tire was way too thin, and it just couldn't hold potholes very well. Now, one thing with these tires is I had to remove my wheel spacers because this the thicker tire was rubbing on the wheel well, especially on the front. So I had to take my wheel spacers off. So now they're not as flush as they used to be. But the front tire is kind of tucked in, so I need to find a wheel spacer that's gonna fit without rubbing on this part of my fender. So the fitment isn't as well as it was before, but we're gonna fix that, don't worry. So I know a lot of people go with the Michelin Pilot Sports on these kind of cars, which is what I was looking into, and that was probably what I was gonna get. But I wanted to go a different route with these Pirellis. I've never had Pirellis before, so I wanted to try out what these guys are like. And oh my goodness, the car is seriously the G-force these tires put down because they grip so well is amazing. My old tires were getting really worn out, and as you can see in this embarrassing video where all I'm doing is sliding around against the last video where I raced that Supra, my tires just could not put the power down. So we're definitely gonna have to do a rematch video now that I've got some solid tires on the car against that Supra. And yeah, I feel more comfortable driving the car too, because it really does grip the road. But yeah, guys, I'm pretty excited about this setup right now. It performs well. I'm excited about the size of the tire. I know eventually I want to try like a 295 or even a 305 for the rear, but I think 265 fits pretty well for the front. So they're super aggressive, super meaty. I love the setup. Also guys, these tires, the handling is way better. They feel more planted. I just went on like some crazy windy roads and everything, and the tires being wider and just, I don't know, something about them, they ride really well. It's a comfortable ride experience, and it just feels so planted. So super excited about the size of these tires. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the videos. Make sure that you subscribe. You're gonna miss out on a lot of good BMW content if you don't subscribe, excuse me. So stay tuned for the next video, guys, but peace out.